Okay, in case you're watching for the first time, my name is MC Eberman, aka the Wulewa Master, and this is New Planet TV. And I have here a young, vibrant man, a young, vibrant Nigeria. In fact, now youth it be, So he's here in the studio. I want to talk to the public. He has a vital information to pass to the public about Nigeria and Sowore that wants to become a president of Nigeria. And it goes by the name
Lucky-Doe Osas.
Lucky-Doe Osas. He's a Nigerian person.
Yes, Nigeria now. You're a Nigerian person.
He's a Nigerian person. So, Lucky-Doe, quickly, so why you get interest for this guy, Omoyele Sowore? That guy wants to become a president. Why you get interest for it? Why?
Why I'm getting interest for that boy? Because now boy not be old man. He not be like Buhari.
He's a youth.
Now very youth, young boy. He blood the rush because as me there so me and the verse because youth never rule Nigeria before. Youth never come and say won't rule Nigeria. Nothing. And I go say in our youth. I say come and so that's why I get that support. Say yes. May he see go that place. May sit down for that seat. Most see the change. Me that they talk about. You see, so most see, because that's why you can spell like this. So at the verse, because family, people they suffer, people they die, walk around they do,
Okay, sorry. Now, okay. My question is, this Sowore, you don't know him before, you don't follow up before. Now, I mean, when you just say you want to become a president, now you just know him. Because this strong belief, confidence when you get in the guy, you don't follow him up before?
Yes, I follow him up.
Where?
Before.
Okay.
You know, I follow up.
Don't they read the battle?
Yeah, they read the battle. Sarah reporters, many of this thing, you meet to follow up. Even that president, me for cup, you go to tell him, may you calm down for seat.
Okay.
No, you know the fight for only Nigeria.
Okay. And one thing you need to know is Nigeria problem, not be today start to. Nigeria problem, like a small people say they carry overload given. The Nigeria problem, not be today start. For example, like lights. You don't tell the year this world, don't small. Up NEPA, when they bring light, we will jump up like frogs. Say, up NEPA! Yes. That's the same light problem that we see get up till now. And you see light a very important thing for any nation. In order for work to come any country, there must be stable light. So this one you're talking, you strongly believe in Sowore. Say, can Sowore solve the problem of Nigeria?
Yes, 100%. Don't say go
PDP not fit solve, APC all this year not fit solve am.
See,
you believe in Sowore say go fit solve am?
Yes. Okay, I want give for example now.
Okay.
Old man, he dey build upstairs. He go there as he go dey commission work upstairs. How that thing will take work? But not fit work. But you not be like youth now. Okay, you now you dey build as now. You come that side, you come look and say, okay, yes, this road. No, I not like this road na fake. Come on, scrub. Put this one. Do it like this. You see, he go there fine. Difference dey down. Person go there as. Buhari, he no dey go anywhere. He no dey hear what even say. See that day now. Before he hand, you go give another person flag. You go raise another person hand. It's very bad.
So what you try to talk be say? You are not advising the public to vote for Buhari this time. If you say if they vote Buhari, you not fit deliver.
You remember say now our guest, now you do a travel pass.
So let's go for a short break. You welcome back.
Also, already the fact say yes, he won't enter president. The boy don't go all over the world. You don't know how life be. You don't know how things be. You don't know the motive so far.
Okay, that's very nice. But if you look, the crowd will be say Buhari and Atiku they pull. Their crowd they very tight than Sowore. Why if you say Sowore crowd not correct like that? If you say go filmmaker because Buhari and Atiku their crowd not be small they pull very high. Why be like that?
He go filmmaker because why I say he go filmmaker. Make Davido campaign for his uncle. The way make crowd dey. He win.
I mean, it's Davido campaign for his
uncle for PDP. He no win, but crowd dey. Now God, that day God will touch people hard. Say yes. See, not to make God not fit do.
Sure.
Not to make God not fit do because the young boy, I support him 100% because the word need to come out for a man. is very good. You get that wisdom, that knowledge, that understanding.
The guy is intelligent, and you believe he would deliver.
Yeah.
So I've heard I've watched most of his clips. You know, shows that the guy is very, very intelligent. He has something in upstairs. You know, he want the betterment of Nigeria. You understand? So, and on that, okay. Now, what if eventually I pray make he enter? God go do him, he go enter because he's a youth and he meant well for the country. What about eventually if he enter that 4 years, he not come deliver? What will call happen? More could deliver, make it continue.
No. That 4 years, if you enter, maybe it also you want to do light, make hungry, step down. Because it's not easy. It's not easy. Let me tell you the truth, even to be a man, it's not a day job. I'm going to repair
It's a gradual process.
It's not easy, but at least he see try, we'll leave him.
In other words, maybe if he promises he will do 3 things, they can't do 2. They not be say because he not do one, make they pursue him. They'll still leave him again. I mean, everything they try to.
Yes.
Everything they try to talk, and you know, so Atiku and Buhari. So what do you feel? So what be your take about those people? You mean say they are campaign are just waste of time? There is no point of voting for them.
The campaign. I don't look most video. I don't look most of my friends from Nigeria. They say that day. They say they will vote to. Was it the first collect money first? If they read now they no person they don't vote for. Say that the money. Say that money now their own. Say they don't believe them because they're hungry. The youth. I don't see blame the youth too much. So I don't feel blame the youth too much because person made it hungry. Hungry man, you know what hungry man fit do now? You know what I'm saying? But many now say that money they will collect them. But if they read there, they don't person they don't vote for.
well, I understand them, but anyway, if you not go vote for anybody, there's no point of people collecting any money from the person's hand in the first place. And okay, I want to ask now, all this money with Atiku and Buhari they use, the way if you say for they get that money, because sure now you not get money. We are sure Buhari call they get money they do all those things.
Yes, for that question, God will bless you. For sure, for the get money, now for masses.
The masses. People they support individual.
I want to ask you one question, sir. Since when you grow, since they born you, you can't reach like this. You just for Nigeria, person will come and say he want protest. Masses go support them.
For VI say want to contest, no mass for VI they not support. And their money they use all the stuff from the country post. That's what they do now. Politicians and Nigerian money they use. Godfather they back them up, this and that.
Now you know say God deal with that boy.
Which means all those millions where they rally around up and down now for individual, you understand?
Yeah, just money, 500, 200, 1,000, 5,000, 100,000, 200,000, $2, $3.
People have been supporting.
€5, €20, €50. Now so they take support. If you won't buy anything from you won't go maybe you won't go Senate, all those things. It may not cost like the Buhari or like the PDP.
Yeah.
See, that's just the thing. More just try. What time I get for Nigeria youth? Maybe they don't say maybe they vote for Showore. Me rule, me youth still rule because they talk again one thing I look they say no say Showore never get the experience of politics before.
Sorry for cutting it short. Because now waiting people they talk say okay now you want to start, you just come from nowhere, you want to start, you know what's make you go for not to vote governor or local government or this one senate, all this, you know, you just come all of a sudden say you want to become a president. So why not start from the down? So that they complain, we say the masses that they complain. So what's your take on that?
Yes, for me, you know me. Because so many presidents made for J, they come out, come the rule. Have you known any president don't come out for J?
Yeah, don't rule before.
He don't come out for J. You know how many presidents don't come out for J, come rule? I'm always person. Me go school for Nigeria, go school for Europe. You don't work around the world. You don't know how far for investing. You can be president. You know it's easy to even help youth. Even your picking for us, even say, so you tell us say you will even beg, but it doesn't go some kind place. You don't get that wisdom, that knowledge. See, sir, you go feel rule Nigeria.
Okay, very good. Okay, now. See now, since everybody they support him because he's a youth, yes. So you think say after eventually he enter by the grace of God, if you say what will be the interest of his own interest for the youth, his own interest for the youth?
Number one thing, na school. Because in go school, in go like me follow the number one na school. Number two, you go make hungry. less. Nobody go give light. Because one light just in Nigeria, work good day.
Sure, light is very, very important because I remember some company like Dollar, for example, they relocate to Ghana and so other companies because of light problem. Because no company will spend money for this, so they buy this all the time, you know. But there is a stable light, you don't need to, not only them will they come for investment, you understand? So the development in the country with a stable light and good road, those two things very, very important. When they stable light, to create job opportunity instantaneously. So it's very, 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 very important. Okay, now, you know, say Nigeria now, they talk about Godfather is a Godfather, but this one I not get any Godfather. You just say, apart from without Godfather, I think if you make this thing, this race.
Yes.
That Godfather, all these things.
Okay.
When they say no want Godfather, not like Godfatherism, which is very, very good because now Godfather will destroy, they destroy the country. You get money, you go to do something for the masses, you go to can settle Godfather them. Now the one way remember not reach anything before you because take you on the balance when I can't they take to Nigeria, how the country want it better. Godfather has been a problem in the country Nigeria. So sure when I say no one want anything like Godfather. And anyway,
I beg the youth. I mean, I know lucky though.
Okay.
I beg. No so na vote. I beg. Cause the best. Do me put it they die. I been not the see do me put it they die. You know they mind you now. I been like your person never die. Then make the thing never affect you. You feel me your person die before you know see the truth. What they beat around the bush. I beg. No say our vote. I more vote for the right person. Mostly vote for the youth. I beg. Cause you not get money.
Sure.
You not get money. You not get person the help am. You know say na only God na no do make bird take the feed. Bird now dey work. Una say so. Na be the thing mo you help am because cow make dey waka, cow may not get tail. Who go pursue fly for am? No be God. God na be Godfather. Na be Godfather may get. Even Buhari Atiku dey fear am. But I beg the masses Nigeria I beg. Me dey beg. I no dey Nigeria. I dey Europe. We dey Europe. The thing they affect us for a year, our body they hurt.
Definitely.
It they affect us. If you get 50 euro, 30 euro will go out. It's not good. Tomorrow, no plan our official. Because not so today, our brothers, our sisters, they die. I don't like I beg the youth, I don't know so na vote.
Okay, you've heard it from Lucky Do, you know, now youth in B. So the thing they pay now, do you understand? Because if we are truly one, if anything happened to one, it happened to everybody. The pain for Nigeria, they affect everybody. Even the rich people, when they get money, you see, they affect them. Do you understand? Because you know, if you go take money, they buy fuel. Maybe you buy fuel of 30,000. I would say the country they stable. That fuel you buy for 30,000, supposed to buy for 500 naira.
You go they charge your motor. They charge motor.
You understand? So you go they reach the more. So not say because I can feed my family, I can do. No, it affects everybody, both the poor and the rich. So vote wisely. Do not sell your voice. Don't exchange your voice with money because when you collect money from the evil politicians, your voice has been bought over. When they misbehave, you not fit talk to them. You are making noise. You are a noise maker. So vote wisely. You've heard from Lucky Do. You've heard from him. A youth, he met word from the nation. That's why I came to the studio here to pour his mind, to beg the public to vote. It's not forcing anybody. Vote is by choice, not by force. Because I bet Showore can deliver. It's obvious that Atiku and Buhari, they should write they cannot do anything. Do you understand? They can't do, and Nigeria does not want them anymore. So vote wisely. Vote wisely. So what's your last word? What's your last word for the viewers out there?
Viewers, my last word. Buhari Atiku na Siso. They begin the Europe for your university. If they tell us say that boss una Tifa, I beg. Una not Tifa. If they give una money, see una not even collect. Cause normal, una heart. Una not take down. Una need to suffer. Put una take achieve something. If you never born, you come born tomorrow. You know, picking fish up, then you repair, then you keep. Because this thing when they do say our fathers, our mothers done for us. For no they suffer. For no they die for Libya, they die for roots. They die for all those places. Mono supposed to I beg, move vote wise. That's my last word for viewers. I beg.
Wow, I love that part when you say all this suffer with this. So I will say our fathers, they don't correct this mistake, so we for not they suffer. You understand? So it's not too late to correct the mistake. So we correct them, like vote wisely. Any evil politicians, delete them away from the system on the face. Vote wisely. Give Chowore a try. My own personal advice, give him a try.
Yes.
I don't know him from Adam apart from Shahara Report, and he has been fighting those people.
For
right
freedom, he's a freedom fighter,
So,
freedom fighter.
fighter. So give him a try. The guy will deliver. He has something upstairs.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time. And this is New Planet TV. Please subscribe on YouTube, New Planet TV, and follow us on Facebook as well, like our page. So lucky though, nice having you, New Planet TV. I hope to have you here again. So viewers are there. When you
Subscribe
have
to
any,
you. Subscribe, Unayera. Subscribe, subscribe.
So when you have any vital information you want to pass out to the public, don't worry, the number is displayed there on the screen. Do call, we'll give you the platform. Anything you see people go benefit from, any topic,
Yes, sir.
just contact me, we'll give you the platform so that people will learn. We learn every day. You learn from me, I learn from you, and so we take the growth.
Sorry, sir.
Understand?
I beg, no money. If you don't come, no money.
So,
No be money they take come here. Now free.
okay.
Now for everybody, for good. Don't say no, you want to collect money. You not be like that to collect 5 naira for your hand.
Okay. Thank you so much. Keep watching New Planet TV. Tell them to keep watching.
Keep watching New Planet TV.
Okay.
God will bless you. Subscribe, subscribe. Emma Binu.
Thanks for watching. Okay, bye for now.